Hello, kids. Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to online class. I hope that everyone is happy. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day and that you're ready to work. So today we are going to review the uses of a, and some. Okay, we need to know when to use them. And we already know when to use them, but for the purpose of this class, we're going to review and some so that we make sure that we answer correctly. So allow me to share this presentation with you very quickly. Okay, so let's put the presentation from the start. Okay, kids. Now, as you can see, take a look at this picture. In this picture, there is a boy. There is one boy. So we say a boy. In this picture, you can see an egg. There is one egg. Okay? But in this picture, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 apples. We say some apples. When we move on, we will understand a little more about it. Now, when do we use them? So let me quickly explain about a and an. A and an are indefinite articles that we use in front of a singular noun. So if you notice in the picture before, there was one boy. Boy was only one, singular, so we said a boy. Also, there was one egg, and we said an egg. Okay, so a and an, as you could tell, they're used for the same purpose, for singular nouns. We write them in front of singular nouns, but we have to distinguish when we choose to use a and when we choose to use an. But we will all, as we continue, that will be cleared up. For some, when do we use some? From the picture before, you saw that it said some apples because we had 5 apples. We could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. So what it means there is that we had plural nouns, apples, 5 of them. We use some when we have plural nouns, okay? We use some when we have plural nouns that we can count, and we also use some for uncountable nouns. Let's say that I have this glass. In this glass, I have water, okay? I have water in this glass, and I cannot say I have 3 waters in the glass. I am not able to count the amount of water or juice, for that matter, that I have in the glass. So I would say I have some juice or I have some water, for example. Okay? We also use some when we want to make offers, like, would you like some help? Would you like some coffee? And we also use it when we make requests. For example, can I have some juice, please? Or can I have some of that thing that you're eating, for example? Let's continue. Now, here are some more examples of when we use a, and some. Take a look of the ones that it says, where it says a, okay? A bag, a coat, a dress, a fruit. They have something in common. These words, these nouns have something in common. First of all, they are singular. They are only one. And second of all, most importantly, they begin with a consonant. B, C, D, F. They begin with consonants. So for singular nouns that begin with a consonant, we use a. Now let's move on to an. Okay? An elephant, an idea, an egg, an animal. These nouns too are also singular nouns, but as you notice, they begin with a vowel. So for words that usually begin with A, E, I, O, U, we use an because sounds in English is very important. It's very important to match sounds with the word that you join together. Okay, and for some, here, some juice, as I mentioned, we are not able to count the juice in the glass, so we say some juice. Fruit, if it's plural, and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we also say some fruit. Water again, we're not able to count the water in the glass or in the jar, we say some. We can count cookies in that case, so we also say some. Now, I have an exception for a. In this case, you notice that this word begins with a vowel, but I have the letter I in front of it. Well, the sound of this word is you. European. European as in a Y sound. So it doesn't sound right to say an European. That's why in that case there is an exception to the rule, and it's a European man, a European person, just because of the sound, but this is an exception. The same for this word. This word is pronounced honor, and this one is pronounced our. So because the H is silent in this word and the vowel is the one that sounds out first, we say it's an honor, or in half an hour, an honor. But why? Because the H is silent, and these are some exceptions to the rules. Let's move on. Okay, so now you're going to quickly do this activity, read what the instruction says, take out your notebook, and do what you have to do here. Let's continue with the exercise. Okay, now let's check your answers. I'm going to pause so you can check the answers. You can tell me your answers and we can check together. Continue checking answers. So now we can move on to some online practices. Let's continue with your class. When we finish with this class, please upload your activities to Google Classroom and continue having a wonderful day.